I know it and you know it, one of the nasty side effects of shooting and shooting and shooting is that you have to clean and clean and clean. But there's now a process, there's now some products out there that are gonna really help this. And I know you're thinking, well, that sounds great. There's nothing beautiful about cleaning a gun unless you can find something that minimizes your time and minimizes your effort. Now, it should be intuitive that Lucas Oil fits in this category perfectly. I mean, they've been doing high-end lubricants in the automotive field for years. And now, Lisa Marie, you've promised to, let's say, walk the talk, if you will.
So we have here just a dirty choke, and this is our bore solvent and ultrasonic cleaner. This little container is just a 4-ounce container. It works great for just dropping a choke tube down into it, put the lid on it and let it sit for a few minutes. And when we pull it out, it should be as easy as wiping it off.
How long do I have to leave that in there?
You can leave it in for a few minutes, you can leave it in overnight, but it all depends on how much shooting you're doing and how dirty your guns are.
That makes sense.
This particular choke tube was not that dirty, so I'm just gonna pull it out. It's been in there for a few minutes. Just like that. So if you have heavy buildup of carbon or the plastic fouling in your choke tubes, you can use our gunmetal polish to just clean it up, and it'll remove it in just a few seconds.
So check this out. This is after just a couple of minutes of polishing with the bore solvent and then the metal polish, right? This choke tube was fairly dirty, actually a little more dirty than it originally looked. So if you give that solvent a little more time to break down that material, both carbon and plastic fouling, I mean, that thing's gonna polish right up. You can see the line in there of what that metal polish is doing inside that choke tube. I'll be the first to admit I am not crazy about cleaning my guns. I think most people probably aren't. There's just nothing fun about it, but it's a necessary evil. They have to function. And thanks to Lucas Oil, their new outdoor line, cleaning my choke tubes and pretty much every other part of the gun just became a drop in the bucket.